Mill-ewwel wirja tiegħu fl-1970 sal-lum Zammit Lewis ma waqafx jagħti l-lewn lill-ħajja u llum il-pitturi tiegħu nsibuhom f'kollezzjonijiet mal-erbat irjieħ tad-dinja.
I'm a Maltese artist painter who lived around for quite a few years. It was my anthological exhibition, so it was practically my story from 1960 to today. Because I started as a portraitist with drawings of portraits up to today, and practically it was shown for 1 month and a half. I had the pleasure to manage to get Vittorio Sgarbi, who in the meantime became Under-Secretary for the Culture in the Italian government. And he was very pleased to present me, I must say. I had Leonardo Zappullo, Stefano Sandro Serra di Falco. I had many critics who came over, and many friends, of course. There was about 150, 180, not all of them, because the space was what it was. Even if I took the two big rooms, because I took the main room and the other one on the side that goes in the parliament. I don't want to compete with the photography. Voila, put it this way. It has to be seen the brush. It has to be a painting, okay? Not a photography, even if I used to do that in the past. There is Don Albano of Rembrandt, which I made the copy, 3 copies as a matter of fact. 2 I sold, and one I kept it, the very first one, because I did a process to make him older, 50 years. Older than when I made it, as a matter of fact, when they checked it. And then the other one is the nude of Velázquez, where I used only the nude of Velázquez, because the background, I changed completely the scenery with frames and canvases, which is my second signature, as certain art critics discovered 2 years ago. If you look all my nudes from that time to today, on the back, 90% of them, you find canvases and frames. Painting was before I was an artist. I've always painted. As a matter of fact, my very first reward was in 1960 in France, in Cologne, near Paris, which was a book. And it was the first time that they organized a competition for art, a prize for art at the school, because they never did before, and I won it. In Venice, end of this month, to complete the tour that I already started in October with the Louvre, with 3 paintings at the Louvre, and then I moved in November to Barcelona, at the Museum in Barcelona, near the Pablo Picasso museum. Then I moved to London to end in Venice, end of this month, the tour. Then I will be in Firenze 2 days after for the Dante Alighieri, Dante and the Artist, in his home museum, of course, now. And then I'll move back to Venice on the 5th of May for the Pro Biennale exhibition, where I will be participating also with 3 paintings, physically. And at the end of the year, I have the most important tour in the States, which will be Washington, Los Angeles, Miami, and New York, where we'll have the giant screens available for projecting our paintings.